Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy A33 5G smartphone full specification and expected price in Bangladesh. So let's get start the video. It is our upcoming smartphone in 2022. Samsung Galaxy A33 5G smartphone price in Bangladesh is expected to be Taka 28,990. This phone has 4 color black, white, peach and blue. Height 159.7 mm, width 74 mm, thickness 8.1 mm, weight 186 gram. Build material front glass, back plastic frame. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on front. IP67 water resistant. It has very beautiful display Super AMOLED water drop notch with 90 Hz refresh rate. Screen to body ratio 83.7%. Display size 6.4 inches. Resolution Full HD Plus 1080 by 2400 pixels. Pixel density 4:1 ppi. Aspect ratio 20:9. No notification LED. Operating system Android 12. Custom UI 1 UI 4.1. Chipset Samsung Exynos 1280. Technology 5 nanometers. CPU octa-core 64-bit 2.0 GHz. GPU ARM Mali G68. RAM 6 GB, 8 GB LPDDR5. 128 GB internal storage MC 5.1, with external storage and OTG supported. Audio features Dolby Atmos technology single speaker. Security in display fingerprint. Face unlock. Other sensors accelerometer, gyro, compass, virtual proximity sensing. Back camera features main 48 MP, ultra wide 8 MP, macro 5 MP and 2 MP. Depth with single LED flash, panorama, HDR. Video recording 1080p, 30 fps. Stabilization OIS 48 MP. Front camera feature 13 MP. Video recording 1080p, 30120 fps, OIS. Card slot single, nano SIM, or hybrid dual SIM. Network type 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. Battery 5000 mAh. Non-removable Li polymer battery. No wireless charging supported. 25 wired USB Type-C fast charging. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to see the next video.